Question number 1. Who was the first Governor General of India? Option A. Warren Hastings. Option B. William Bentinck. Option C. Lord Dalhousie. And option D. Lord Canning. So the correct answer is option B. William Bentinck. First Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. First Governor General of India was William Bentinck. Question number 2. The first Viceroy of India was option A. Lord Canning, option B. Lord Ripon, option C. Lord Dalhousie, and option D. Lord Curzon. So the correct answer is option A. Lord Canning. The title Viceroy was created in 1858 after the Mutiny of 1857. Before 1858, East India Company was ruling large part of India, and the head of administration of East India Company was called Governor General. Question number 3. The first British presidency in India was established at option A. Surat, option B. Madras, option C. Bengal, and option B. Bombay. So the correct answer is option A. Surat. Question number 4. When the Battle of Buxar fought? Option A 1764, option B 1786, option C 1864, and option D 1856. So the correct answer is option A 1764. The Battle of Buxar was fought on 2nd October 1764. It was fought between Hector Munro and the combined forces of Mir Qasim, which included Shujaudullah, Shah Alam II, etc. After this war, the Treaty of Allahabad was signed on 2nd August 1765 between Robert Clive and Shah Alam II, Mughal Emperor. Question number 5. The Vernacular Press Act was passed in British India year. Option A 1868, option B 1878, option C 1888, and option D 1898. So the correct answer is option B 1878. Question number 6. Which European nations was first in bringing printing press in India? Option A England, option B France, option C Portugal, and option D Holland. So the correct answer is option C Portugal. Question number 7. The famous Battle of Polashi was fought on banks of which river? Option A Sutlej River, option B Bhagirathi or Hooghly River, option C Ganga River, and option D Jamuna River. So the correct answer is option B Bhagirathi or Hooghly River. It was a major battle that took place on 23rd June 1757 at Polashi, Bengal. It is a battle fought between the East India Company force headed by Robert Clive and Sirajuddaulah, Nawab of Bengal. Question number 8. The first Indian to be elected as a member of the British House Commons was option A Dadabhai Naoroji, option B Surendranath Banerjee, option C B.R. Ambedkar, and option D C.R. Das. So the correct answer is option A Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 9. Who was the Governor General of India during the Civil Disobedience Movement? Option A Lord Chelmsford, option B Lord Reading, option C Lord Irwin, and option D Lord Wavell. So the correct answer is option C Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin was the Governor General and Viceroy of India 1926 to 1931. On April 1926, Lord Irwin was appointed 30th Viceroy and Governor General of India. Question number 10. When the East India Company was established, India was ruled by option A Mughal Emperor, option B Gupta Emperor, option C Mauryan Emperor, and option D Shunga Emperor. So the correct answer is option A Mughal Emperor. The East India Company was established in 1600 during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Question number 11. Who was the Viceroy at the time of Quit India movement? Option A Lord Mountbatten, option B Lord Wavell, option C Lord Linlithgow, and option D Lord Irwin. So the correct answer is option C Lord Linlithgow. Question number 12. Rani Lakshmibai died fighting the British in the Battle of option A Jhansi, option B Kanpur, option C Gwalior, and option D Kalpi. So the correct answer is option C Gwalior. On June 18, 1858, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, one of the most important figures of India's first war of independence, died while fighting against the British in Gwalior. Question number 13. Lord Cornwallis had introduced which land tenure system? Option A Zamindari, option B Rayatwari, option C Mahalwari, and option D Inamdari. So the correct answer is option A Zamindari. Question number 14. In 1853, from where did the British build Indian railway system run its first time? Option A, Bombay to Thane. Option B, Bombay to Pune. Option C, Bombay to Nashik. And option D, Pune to Thane. So the correct answer is option A, Bombay to Thane. On 16 April 1853, the first passenger train between Boribandar, Bombay and Thane, a distance of 34 km. Lord Dalhousie was the British Governor General who introduced railways in India. Question number 15. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh Massacre? Option A, Lord Lytton. Option B, Lord Irwin. Option C, Lord Chelmsford. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, Lord Chelmsford. Question number 16. Who is known as the father of civil service in India? Option A, Warren Hastings. Option B, Lord Cornwallis. Option C, Lord William Bentinck. And option D, Lord Canning. So the correct answer is option B, Lord Cornwallis. Question number 17. When the Calcutta Hindu College, now Presidency University, established? Option A, 1809. Option B, 1817. Option C, 1825. And option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option B, 1817. It was established at Hindu College on January 20, 1817 in Kolkata. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, the great social reformer, headed its foundation committee. It was later renamed as Presidency College in 1855. It was placed under the control of the University of Kolkata in 1857. Question number 18. Who among the following attended all the three roundtable conferences? Option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, B.R. Ambedkar. And option D, Mahatma Gandhi. So the correct answer is option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 19. Lord William Bentinck is credited for which of the following in the Indian history? Option A, education reforms. Option B, laws. Option C, abolition of sati. And option D, local government. So the correct answer is option C, abolition of sati. Lord William Bentinck became the Governor General of India in 1828. He helped Raja Ram Mohan Rai to suppress many prevalent social evils like sati, polygamy, child marriage. Question number 20. Pune Pact was signed between which of the following? Option A, Gandhiji and Ramsay MacDonald. Option B, Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Gandhiji and Lord Irwin. And option B, B.R. Ambedkar and Lord Irwin. So the correct answer is option B, Gandhiji and B.R. Ambedkar.